Alright guys, you're welcome to my channel. This is Web3 Simplified. Today I'll be showing us an alpha project called Blockmesh. It's actually a testnet project. It's Solana based that have raised up to $18 million. Alright, so these are the few steps on how to go through the registration process and to be eligible for your drops. Alright, so remember, if this is your first time following our channel, please do ensure that you like, you share, and also drop a comment. Please also try to turn on the notification bell so that when we post any subsequent update in regards to this or any new alpha project, you'll be among the first people to be notified in regards to the project. All right, so please just stay connected to the community, and also the WhatsApp group is on the description of this video. All right, so these are the few steps on how to register on the merge chain testnet. Right, so it's as simple as possible. So the first thing to do is to go copy this link, all right, in the description. Just copy it. Then you can use your Measles browser or you can use your Kiwi browser. All right, so once you paste it, you fill up and register. So once you fill in your details, register, then you confirm your email. A confirmation code will be sent to your email. Then you log in. After you log in, it will pop up that you should download the extension. So you just go ahead and download the extension, and that is done. So the essence of this video is to give you guide on how to be eligible. All right, so this is the hardest part of the video. That's why I choose to run a video for the community, and let me walk you hand in hand on how to go around this eligibility sake. All right, so this is my Measles browser. All right, I've done the registration already. All right, so you can see this is where I've stopped. Let me go back to my dashboard. All right, so this is how it will look. So once you've verified your email, you can see download extension. Make sure you have installed your extension. This is extension running. This is the extension mesh chain network. So it will pop up for you to download. So you just go ahead and download the extension. You can download from here. All right, so you just go ahead and install the extension. So after installing the extension, you have to complete the eligibility criteria. Just click on perks. Right, when you click on perks, it will show here like this. Right, so the first one is humanity check. Right, so you just click on it and pass the captcha. Then the next is Solana wallet connection. For now, my Solana wallet isn't connecting. I don't really know why, but I will also. All right, so I believe it's working now. So you just go ahead and connect. You can see wallet connected. All right, so my wallet is connected now. So the next thing to do is to connect your Twitter. For you to be able to connect your Twitter, you have to follow Blockmesh on X and also the founder. This is how you go about that, right? So make sure you are following Blockmesh underscore XYZ. So make sure you are following this account. Click on following, then you follow this is the CEO. So make sure you following the founder rather. So make sure you are following the founder. That's underscore OHAD Dan. So just make sure you are following these two accounts in order for you to complete the task. So you just click on to connect Twitter. So this is the first task. Um, Alright, so I just logged in my Twitter account and I'm validating now. So you just go ahead and validate. You should see a success message pop up. Right, so you can see perk added. So my point has been added. So let's go check that out. Alright. Alright, so We click option again, we click on perk, then you see humanity. You can see wallet has been added, Twitter has been added, and proof of humanity has been added. So let's do the follow founder. So you just go ahead and click follow founder. All right. You just authorize. Success. All right. Are successful already. So let's see the last spec. Last spec said follow. Okay, Xenopus. So we have to search for Xenopus. For example, since I'm not following Xenopus, if I try to validate that, an error message should pop up because I'm not actually following that Xenopus. You can see. So because I'm not following this is the handle that I'm to follow. So you go ahead and copy the handle. All right. So you copy the handle, then you go to your X and you just follow. It's as simple as that. But if you do not know, you may be weary. All right. So for us not to be weary, it is good we follow no road. All right. So let's try to execute the same task again. Go back. All right. Go back, click on perk, and also go back to, let's complete the last task for the day. Authorize. All right, so you can see all done. So for now, so just make sure you are in my WhatsApp group or in my Telegram channel so as to stay updated in regards to this project. TG is already close to us. All right, so I believe we've done the needful for now, and subsequently if any new task is being added to the project, I will still let you know. So just make sure you are following the WhatsApp channel so that you get to join other alpha projects that I'm actually doing now. All right, I think that's all for now. My network is kind of slow, but I've done everything needed. Wallet connected, and we've done all the criteria check. All right, so everything is done. This is my total point right now, 2000 plus. All right, so that's that for that. So see you on my next video.